Yes.
I like it.
Me too. Doesn't taste bad and you don't feel bad about eating it.
Whoa.
Hey, don't lean on that. You're gonna be sorry.
Break it before it's even built.
You break it, you bought it.
I could go to the scratch and dent.
Hey.
But Dad, it's like my height and everything.
I know. I gotta get that back on so cheaper. Can you come around this side? Yeah.
Oh, that just slides in. How clever is that?
There you go.
What is this thing? I'm so curious what that word means.
Yeah.
I think it must be multi-purpose.
She uses it for a crayon.
Or like pens or...
Yeah.
Yes, but you can walk in front
You wanna help me hammer that in? Let's get a hammer.
Oh my god.
Ready?
I'm gonna send Karen a text and says that I'm moving to Idaho.
Good job.
Right here. Can you get it? Close. Working, Jeremy?
It's hard work being two.
Yeah. Gotta earn your keep now.
Carrying her weight around.
We've actually decided to give her chores from here on out that match her age. So her chore right now is feeding Francie.
That's good.
It's cute.
Yeah, I need a real hammer, huh?
Careful that you...
Feel bad hammering through in the morning.
Oh, you know they're awake with the baby.
It's so funny. The last